Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. For this one, we need to create about complementary solution and particular solution. So we need to concentrate for the first one. So I will put about yc equals to e to the power of lambda s. Later that we do first derivative of yc and we have lambda e to the power of lambda s. So if we do first derivative of this one, we keep the same e to the power of lambda s. Later that we do first derivative of lambda s, you got lambda. Now we go to second derivative of yc and we have lambda squared e to the power of lambda s. Because this is about complementary solution, so I will put this one equals to number 0. So I will put this one gone here, this one gone here, and this one gone here. So we have e to the power of lambda s. We can do about factorization. So we just concentrate about this one. Now we need to find the solutions of lambda. So we have lambda equals to number 3 and lambda equals to negative number 5. So that means we have yc equals to c number 1. That is about the constant number 1, e to the power of 3. So because we have lambda s, we change lambda into number 3 and we have 3s. And then we have c number 2. That is about the constant number 2, e to the power of negative 5s. So after we have this one, we go to particular solution. So we have 225s. So we need to put about yb equals to a plus bs. So if we do first derivative of yb, this one that is about the constant, so you got 0. This one we have number 1, so we have b. And second derivative you got number 0. And now we have this one. So I will put this one gone here, this one gone here, and this one gone here. And we have like this. So we need to simplify it, and we have 2b minus 15a. And then we have negative 15bs. We know that we have 225s. We have s and s. That means negative 15b equals to 225. The next one we have 2b minus 15a equals to number 0. So we can find the solution of a and b. So we have a equals to negative number 2, b equals to negative 15. So we put a and b go back in here. And now we have the final answer. YC, that is about this one. YB, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.